Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to sign in into your CapCut using a QR code. If you are looking to use this method, just follow these simple steps and you'll be all set. First, launch the CapCut app, and in the top left corner, you'll find the sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. A new window will pop up with the various sign in options, including TikTok, Facebook, Google, and the option to sign in with the QR. To proceed with the QR code, just click on Use QR. You will now see the QR code along with some instructions. Open the CapCut app on your phone, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner, then click on the three line at the top right. Next, select the scan option and scanner will appear. Simply use it to scan the QR code displayed in your screen, and you'll be logged in into your account. And that's how you can sign in to CapCut with the QR code. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.